We clean with it. We wash with it. We cook with it. We bath with it. We drink it. We cannot live without it. 70% of our body is made up of it. 70% of our world is made up of it. That's water. Water, a blessing in disguise, an elixir of life. But not all are equally blessed. There is still a world where forget 24-hour water supply, even 24-minute water supply a day is a distant dream. All over the world, 1.1 billion people do not have access to clean drinking water. There is still a world where children do not go to school because they lie on the bed of dreaded waterborne diseases. All over the world, 272 million school days are missed due to waterborne diseases. Where there are no taps, no pipes, no wash basins, no swanky toilets. All over the world, 2.6 billion people do not have proper toilets. Where amidst pools and pools of water, there is not a single drinkable drop. World over, 1.5 million children die every year because of waterborne diseases. But this can end. This can change. Every little step can stop this crisis. Every little hand can make a difference. Yes, it can. Yes, we can. Let's see how. All it takes is to stop its unnecessary waste. Though water constitutes 70% of the world, 97% of it is not in drinkable form. This limited resource should be conserved and treated right. Little changes like brushing teeth using a mug instead of running water can save 54 liters of water every time. Using a broom instead of garden hose to clean your driveway will save 23 liters every minute you clean. Using a hose nozzle while washing the car will save up to 176 liters of water every time. Similarly, bucket bath instead of shower can save up to 120 liters of water daily. Another effort can be protecting our water supply pipelines because they are just like the roots of trees bringing water for them. They are just like the veins of our body, regulating the blood supply in our body. This network of pipelines need to be protected. Little efforts like stopping the leakages of pipes and taps can save anything between 400 to 3,000 liters of water. Another bit can be done by maintaining cleanliness and sanitation. Contaminated water can lead to spread of waterborne diseases such as diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, dysentery, etc. that rules the lives of many. Little concerns like getting proper pipe fittings and stopping water from getting accumulated can stop this. Every little step can stop this crisis. Every little hand can make a difference. Stopping the waste, stopping the haste, looking at others, looking within us, looking in the future. This is all it takes. Be the heroes of change. Be the leaders of revolution. Be the water warriors. Help avoid water wars. celebrate World Plumbing Day on 11th March every year and help in spreading awareness on better plumbing for better living. This message comes to you from Indian Plumbing Association and International Association of Plumbing and Mechanical Officials, India. Issued in public interest by Grundfos Pumps India Private Limited.